Hello and welcome. Did you know that emotions are contagious? You can catch an emotion just like you catch a cold, and you can spread an emotion just like you spread a cold. But what if the emotions that you're spreading are like a cold, very unpleasant? What if they're negative? Sometimes you could be spreading those emotions, sometimes you could be at the receiving end of these emotions. Research has solutions for both. In both cases, remember to eat well, sleep well, exercise well, and cultivate a sense of purpose. In case you're the one who's spreading all the negativity around, there are some other things that you could do. One, go ahead and ask people who've known you a long time, friends and family, if you're someone who tends to lean towards the negative. If you are, then please remember that you can take help. And it's not okay to be negative all the time, because although you may have the right to be cranky, you have no right to impose that crankiness on others. Also, inject some positivity in your life on a daily basis. Listen to happy music, laugh a lot, do things that you like. If after doing all of this you find that you're still a miserable grouch and can't get relief, shut yourself up for some time till the feeling passes. And if the feeling does not pass anytime too soon, please take the help of a professional, talk to a therapist, and help understand why you are so negative. This is great if you're spreading negativity to others, but what if others are spreading negativity to you? In that case, you still do the same thing: eat well, sleep well, exercise well, and cultivate a sense of purpose. Along with that, don't avoid negative people. You can neutralize their negativity by giving them positive attention. This is what research says. Sometimes the negativity in your life is so much and from so many people that you can't possibly neutralize everyone's negativity. In that case, please take time off regularly and remind your brain to inject positivity and be positive during this time off period. Also, what you can do is spend time with people who are very positive, and don't feel negative about taking, or don't feel guilty about taking up their time. Finally, please remember, social media amplifies every emotion that you feel. Remember this whenever you read or post something. Apply this.